Hello YouTube. In this video we will go over the concept in C# called the struct. So a struct in C# is a struct is a how do I put it? A struct is a keyword, simply struct, that is used to encapsulate related variables under the same identifier. So let's create a struct. Where can we create a struct? Well, we cannot create a struct within a method. We can create a struct within a class or even within simply a namespace. Let's do it in our case inside of a class. Now what kind of struct we might make is up to our own discretion, but in this case I'm going to create a struct that holds coordinates, and I'm going to call it simply coordinates. Now within this, the members should be public, as a struct is like a class, but all the members are supposed to be public and doesn't have private members. So we have public int x and then public int y. X and y coordinates. Now a struct would not be complete if we didn't also have a variable to represent said struct. So this variable is going to be of type struct, so public static coordinates, and then coordinates with lowercase c. We're using static in this case because we want to use this in conjunction with the main method. So console, right line, and inside we can say coordinates with lowercase c, x. Coordinates y. We can do that. This right here is just going to put a space between the two numbers. And we can also change the values within the struct, so we can say coordinates x equals 7, coordinates y equals 9. Oh, I forgot to do a read line. A read key statement, I mean. There we go. There's read key. 7 and 9. Okay, that's cool. What else can we do? Well, we could create a new variable representing, or of the type coordinates right here. So we could say coordinates, and we'll call this coords, and then we can say coords x is equal to 8, and then coords y is equal to 9. And then we can of course display those too. There we go. Structs are able to contain constructors, constant fields, methods, properties, indexers, operators, events, and nested types. Although if several such members are required, you should consider making your type into a class instead. This is of course what docs.microsoft.com says. Worth noting, the members of structs cannot be made protected. They can be made private, although I think that would defeat the purpose of a struct. They can be. You cannot make members of a struct protected. So you cannot do, for instance, protected right here. As you can see, new protected member declared in struct. It does not bode well. So my recommendation is to have all members of structs be public, as that's closer to the concept of what a struct is supposed to be. If you found this video informative, please give this a thumbs up. I would also like for commenters to provide suggestions on new videos and topics to cover. And as always, I hope that you have a wonderful day.